Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to convert from CorelDRAW to PDF. It is a very simple task. All you just need to do is click on the file menu, click on publish to PDF, and that's all. And when the publish to PDF dialog box appears, type the name of the file, maybe coconut oil, or let's use something else, olive oil, as the name of the bottle that I want to save. Click on the desktop and click save. Automatically the file is saved to the desktop. When you minimize the file, look at the olive oil plant PDF file. So when I double click on this file, after a while, depending on the speed of your computer, the file opens in PDF format. Thank you. Please click the like button. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you.